You say
that you're busy introducing your production system or implementing it at various business centers. How important are industrial engineering methods in this context, and particularly the issue of standardization, which is an integral part of it? WILO SE is a leading provider of innovative, highly efficient pumps and pump systems, and we are currently growing strongly, and that brings with it huge demands for new planning for products and processes too, and designing processes. In this connection, the methods of the WILO production system and the background of expertise in industrial engineering are very important preconditions, and that is the framework where this project can make a very significant contribution. Providing training for employees plays a very major role when introducing a production system. How important is this, and where is this process based at WILO? The employees play a central role in a production system. That's one of the major elements in any production system, i.e., involving employees and also providing training for skills. And in this context, we're training our employees in the production system very actively. The backbone of this production system is certainly the principles of the methods of industrial engineering. That is to say, a basic understanding of IE methods. And that's just one precondition for actually being able to introduce certain improvements along the value stream. What issues or training methods have you particularly requested, and in what subject areas within the project? Well, one important element which we've introduced as a result of this project is the issue of work design. That is to say, efficiently designing assembly work systems, for example, and simply taking into account ergonomics in this context, but also reducing handling distances, etc., in the sense of reducing wasteful activities. What were your expectations in the run-up to the project meeting today, and were your expectations met? As regards today's project meeting, I firstly expected to continue the process of exchanging ideas, which we've already pursued on a broad basis at the other project meetings, and also see how others are handling things, how things are being introduced at other firms. It's been very interesting to visit the Eickhoff company here and obtain a broader perspective, and secondly continue exchanging ideas on methods with the other companies. How are we positioned at WILO SE in comparison to other firms? And what are the current issues, which are perhaps interesting for the other companies too, where we can then intensify our exchange of ideas? Will you continue to work in these fields? Will other development opportunities or programs open up? Will WILO continue to work in this area? Is this a task for the future, keeping at it all the time? This is very important for our ongoing development. I'd say not just establishing expertise, but also working on this continually and repeatedly, generating fresh input and obtaining new ideas and opening our eyes or raising our awareness at certain points. So it's very important for us to be involved in these kinds of projects in future too. There are many issues that are conceivable here. Extending matters to indirect departments and so on to a greater degree, in order to simply press ahead with the methodical side and methodical expertise with their employees, in conjunction with the innovations that we have on the product side.